Wow, imagine a wallet and a knife combo that disappears in your pocket, because most wallets are clunky and most knives are heavy, and together a clunky wallet and a heavy knife in your pocket can drive you crazy. What if there was an everyday carry setup that solved all that? You could carry both without the bulk, without the weight. Let me show you the best small, flat, front pocket wallet and the best lightweight, sharp, and durable pocket knife. Together, this setup is the best EDC combo I've ever had. I'm Matt Kessler and I'm a wilderness adventure guide. I lead groups of men on remote trips into the beauty and solitude of epic places. Check out my 3 adventure trips and download my best high quality outdoor gear and clothing recommendation guide. Links are below. Let's start with the foundation of this setup. First up, the wallet that makes this whole EDC combo possible, the Alpaka Zip Pouch Pro. The Zip Pouch Pro looks minimal, but it is packed with function. The material is super tough. It's built from X-Pac sailcloth fabric, the same material used in racing sails. It's a multi-layer fabric of nylon, polyester X-ply, and a waterproof film. So it's designed to withstand abrasion and wear, and it's highly water resistant. Plus, it's just got these super clean lines and it just looks really, really good. It slips easily in your back pocket, but it's slim enough for your front pocket. The Zip Pouch Pro has 2 zippered compartments, one on top, one on the side, and 2 pockets on the back side, a larger one and a smaller one. The main pouch has a nice grab latch here and YKK AquaGuard zippers to keep this thing super water resistant. Inside you can carry a number of things. I carry my cash. Wow. Actually have more cash than I thought I did. That's good news. And I also carry my Ravello business cards in here. You can see inside there is this bright Viz Orange 210D ripstop nylon lining that makes it easy to see, and there's also a pocket separator in there for better organization. The front side also has this nice grab latch and YKK AquaGuard zippers. In the front pouch, I carry my driver's license and various other licenses, including Maverick's therapy dog license. And check this out, next to my credit cards, I carry this small Fisher space pen. I find this to be incredibly useful. This is a great tool and I use this multiple times every day. Aren't you always looking for a pen? I mean, maybe you carry a pocket protector and a plethora of pins in your front shirt pocket, but most of us don't like to carry pins in our front pocket, and we certainly don't like to carry pins in our pant pocket. So this is an incredible solution. You can get one of these Fisher pins. They are small and compact and durable. They write in the rain and water. It is an absolute game changer. I love my Fisher space pen. Several years ago, I was guiding a backpacking and fly fishing trip in Wyoming. And at the end of the adventure, we sat down for our celebration dinner. And when the check came, I pulled out my big fat leather trifold wallet to pay for the bill. And the guys absolutely lost it.
And a wallet for your money.
They roasted me. And that night, I decided the George Costanza wallet had to go and went on a quest for the best slim front pocket wallet I could find. And that journey led me to the Alpaka Zip Pouch Pro, which you can also use as a small EDC admin case. This is a Zip Pouch Pro in green, and this is what I have in my EDC bag. In the top pocket, I carry this Right in the Rain pin. Here it is in green. I also have some super glue. This is a fire kit with Wazoo fire plugs. and a mini Bic lighter. Again, you can see the divider here and the high-vis interior lining. In the front pouch, I carry this Fallkniven knife sharpener, which is small and lightweight with 2 different grits and works like a charm. You can carry so many different combinations as an admin case or as your everyday carry wallet. I love how even full this lays flat.
Look at this thing. It's huge. You got more cow here than here.
Compared to the leather wallet, this thing is lighter, stronger, and better designed for everyday carry. My friends were right, and I'm so glad they shamed me into researching and discovering the Alpaka Zip Pouch Pro. Now, a great wallet is only half the setup. The real power of this EDC combo is pairing it with the right knife. The Benchmade Mini Bugout nails the balance between size, weight, and performance. Closed, it's only 3.7 inches long, so it can tuck away nicely in your front pocket. And with this clip on the back, look how nicely it fits into the Zip Pouch Pro. It's like they were made for each other. Open up the Mini Bugout, and you have 6.5 inches of overall length. That is plenty of reach for everyday tasks. Cuts like butter. This knife is super sharp and easy to keep sharp. The blade length is 2.82 inches, which is really the sweet spot for EDC. It is compact, but big enough to actually get her done. The blade is an S30V stainless steel. It is razor sharp, corrosion resistant, and it holds an edge really well, so you don't have to sharpen it all the time. And the axis lock is really, really smooth. I think this is one of the easiest and most reliable locking mechanisms out there. You can open it and close it with one hand, and it just locks up solid every time. It's lightweight and incredibly strong, and it comes in bright, easy to find colors like this orange one or white or yellow. So if you misplace it at camp or it falls between the seat and console of your truck, it won't disappear forever. And despite the slim profile, it just feels really good in the hand, and it fills your hand enough to feel solid and safe. The Mini Bugout is the definition of do more with less. You want the best wallet, and you want the best pocket knife, but when you combine the Alpaka Zip Pouch Pro and the Benchmade Mini Bugout, you get something rare, a minimal, high quality, flat and durable, built to disappear in your pocket EDC combo.
You complete me.
It's sharp looking, and it feels good every time you slip it in your pocket. Simple. Check out the links below. For comparison's sake, here is the Mini Bugout next to the original Bugout. And just so you know, the Bugout does fit in the Zip Pouch Pro. Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you carry. I'd also love to hear a wallet or a knife that you'd like me to try and possibly even review. Check out these videos next and sign up for one of my unforgettable guided adventure trips. And remember, don't just buy great outdoor gear. Get out there and use it.